Busog na busog ang babies. I wish someone told me about this sooner. Ganito yung itsura ng walang nakalagay. As you can see, this one is designed with ventilation hole para yung airflow from your bra to your skin is tuloy-tuloy. I am really a fan of Hiraya Filipina, kaya natuwa ako nung nag-release sila ng breathable bosom cake. Yun talaga yung pinaka nagiging problema ko every time na magre-remove talaga ako ng tapis, namumuo yung mga pawis sa loob. So creating this one is a very great idea. Kasi alam mo yun, yung airflow is magtutuloy-tuloy na siya from the bra to your skin. So pag tinanggal mo yung tapis is wala nang sweat. To be honest, ito yung gamit ko nung Hickory event. Inabot kami until 1 AM pero pag tanggal ko ng tapis, wala talagang sweat at all. As you can see, this one is very seamless. Wala ka talagang makikita kahit sa side. Kaya naman kayang-kaya niyang i-elevate talaga kahit na anong outfit mo. Mapa sleeveless pa yan, mapa backless pa yan. Kaya ako yung mga ganito na lang lagi yung ginagamit ko. Hindi na ako gumagamit ng mga typical na bra kasi nakakasira talaga siya sa outfit. Reusable na rin yung adhesive niya so pwede nyo yung i-wash ng water and soap. And yung available sizes nila is from AA to D. As far as I remember, meron siyang tatlong shades, si Tala, si Clara, and si Esme. This is also made from medical grade silicone. So very soft and skin safe siya, guys. So ibig sabihin, kahit na mag-run kayo, mag-gym kayo, magpapawis kayo, pwedeng-pwede nyo siyang gamitin kasi breathable na siya. So yeah, another worth the money na naman from Hiraya Filipina.